Tornado warning for Hamilton County. Just seeing what we can see. Here it comes. There it is. There we go. There it comes. Here we go. Oh my God. This isn't even the worst part of it today. You can see it coming over the trees there. Oh. I don't know if I should go pull the fire alarm. Get these people out. Here it comes. It's coming over the trees. You can see it. It has stopped raining. There it is. Look at that. Oh my God, look at that. Oh. We've got a tornado. No. Here we go. It's behind. It's over there. Yeah.
I'm just saying.
We may.
I've never seen it like this ever.
This ain't even the worst part of it today, is what they said. We're under tornado warning. Those trees are coming down. There's trees over there coming down.
Damn.
This is a tornado. We're in it. Oh.
Shit.
Oh my God. I hope everybody's away from their windows. There's with the power. I hope
The
everybody.
best way to be is in the hallway.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. And this ain't even the worst part today. Look, it's passing on by. Where's the groove? I always park there. I'm getting inside. I always park there. It's not over. Oh. Golly! This ain't even supposed to be the worst part of it. What is going on? Holy crap. Oh, watch, that tree's gonna fall on my car. Oh! I can't believe it's not over! That's what I'm wondering. I'm just watching that tree over there waiting on it to fall on my car. Yeah. Well, as you see, the power's off. No power. We completely lost power. Let's take a look at the back of the building here. See what's going on here. That plant finally blew off. Look at all those trees. Let's go back out front. You okay?
It's storming, ain't it?
Oh, that it? Do you have a car out here?
Uh-huh.
Which one is it?
The red truck.
Okay, there's some tree fell on somebody's car over here and over there and all around.
Oh, no.
It got real bad.